We'll be unboxing the Hummingbird, the MK10, MK11. These are a professional clipper and a precision trimmer. They shave smarter. Here we seem to have the case. Got some paperwork for the MK11, MK10. Let's see what's in here. We have a cleaning brush and a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have a comb, another USB-A to USB-C cable, a little bit of blade oil, another cleaning brush, and we have this guard here with this icon. And for the precision trimmer, we have 1mm guard, 2mm, 3 and 4mm guards. And then we have guard for the clippers. Number 3 or a 9mm guard. Or if you can 3, and we have 3/8 guard. So guard number 1, 1 1/8 or 3mm. The number 4 guard, which is 1/2 inch or 13mm. Then a number 2, that's a 6mm or 1/4 inch. Then we have 3/4 inch, number 6, 19mm. 1 inch, number 8, 25mm. Number 5, 5/8 of an inch or 16mm. Then we got a number 7, which is 7/8 of an inch or 22mm. And then we have the cape. And then we have the MK11 precision trimmer. You charge it with the USB-C. And this is where you turn it on. Right now it's at a 100% battery. And here we have the MK10. Then you got 3 levels for the guard here. 2, 3. Then we have the on button. You flip the switch. That looks like 90 RPM, or is that 9,000 RPM? And the remaining power is 100%. And the USB-C where you charge at the bottom. You can see a little bit on the inside. So there are many guards for the Hummingbird MK10, but there aren't any taper guards. Some of you might be used to having a taper guard that kind of just tapers down, but there is none available with this set. You'll only need about 2 drops to lubricate the blades. Well, first you gotta open it first. 2 drops. A little tiny drop of oil for this one. And once the blades are lubricated, make sure you wipe off the oil residue from the blades. The MK10 hair clipper has a runtime of about 80 minutes, and it takes about 2 hours to charge. As for the MK11, it has a runtime of 150 minutes, but it needs a charge time of 210 minutes.